don't want to have to go pick up my tarp. Oh, hey there. You have to go pick up my tarp that I abandoned last night in that blizzard. I was up till 1 o'clock in the morning shoveling snow. I'm tired. My back is sore. But I have to go get this tarp, because if I don't, someone else will get it. Plus, tomorrow night, it's supposed to drop down to -40, so I want to get this done today. Last night I had these big plans for today. I was going to go set up my teepee again with the folding stove and just hang out there for the day, but I had my share of fun yesterday out in the cold. So I'm going to pack minimal supplies, like just enough in case, something happens. My snowshoes, go grab that tarp, roll it up, and come home. But you have to come with me. And I'm all ready to go. There's my sled. I rigged up another sail to it and took it out last night. Got some footage, it's not that great though. So here's that quick shelter I built last night. Helped keep the wind off me. And it's not quite as buried as I thought it would be. But last night, a guy rode past me on a snowmobile, maybe 50 feet away. He was out in that tree line over there. He must have got stuck in the storm. But he drove right past me, didn't even see me. I just keep reusing these same teepee poles. I have them leaned up so they don't get buried in the snow. I don't mean to jinx it, but I can't believe there's no wind. Actually, for a field roll-up, that's pretty compact. It's starting to snow. Supposed to be getting some more snow tonight. Well, I just got back from my little trip. Things almost went according to plan. Because I wasn't wearing my big snow pants, every time I took a step, the heel of my snowshoe would flick snow into my boot. So my boot liners are completely soaked, but I got them on the drying rack. And you see that big gap. The snow was just going in inside there. Well, she's snowing pretty good out there. I'm inside my workshop with stoves blazing and nice and warm. Boot liners are drying. And I'm just trying to figure out what to have for supper.